Hi friends, my name is Miss Stacy and I'm a food corps service member at the Blackstone Elementary School in Boston. Today we're going to be making an Eat2Explore recipe from Brazil called Shrimp Moqueca. In addition to the spices and the ingredient list and instructions provided by Eat2Explore, we're going to need a few fresh vegetables and a few things from our pantry. Those include 1 red bell pepper, 1 lemon, spinach, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1.5 pounds of shrimp with the skin and the ends removed, 1 onion, a little bit of sugar or honey, some pepper, salt, and over here we've got some hot water, apple cider vinegar, oil, like olive oil or avocado oil, and some rice. And in addition to our ingredients, we're going to need a few things in our kitchen, like a spatula for stirring, a knife for cutting, something to whisk like a fork, a measuring cup, a little bowl, and then I've got a pan or pot for rice, as well as a larger pan or pot for the shrimp moqueca itself. The first thing we're going to do is dice our onion and our red bell pepper. If you're at home, please ask an adult to help you out with this. We'll use our bear claw and start chopping. While I'm chopping, I'll tell you a little bit more about the dish that we're making. Moqueca is a traditional fish stew indigenous in the north or northeast of Brazil. The most famous version is moqueca baiana, made with palm oil and coconut milk, reflecting the strong African influence on Brazilian cuisine. Alright, so we're going to whisk together our Grace coconut powder with 1.5 cups of hot water. So I'm just going to take this. Sort of smells like coconut milk, so if you're at home and you don't have the Eat2Explore kit, you could probably also just use a can of coconut milk. Ta-da! Now we're going to juice 1 lemon. We're going to put our rice on to boil. So I have 1 cup of rice, and I'm going to do 2 cups of water. And we'll turn it on to boil, and then reduce it to simmer for about 15 minutes. Now it's time to cook our vegetables. So the first thing we're going to do is heat up our pan, or our large pot in this case, with about a tablespoon of oil. And I'm just going to eyeball it a little bit until it covers the bottom. We'll wait a little bit for that to get hot, and now that it's heated, we'll add in our red pepper and onion. We'll saute this for about 3 minutes. And we'll also add in our sambando moqueca spices from our Eat2Explore kit. You want to look at the spices? Moqueca is a dish that most represents Brazilian cuisine and Brazil as a country, as it is an amalgam or mix of native Indian or indigenous, African, and Portuguese influences. The dish is also called muqueca or mucaca from an Angolan dialect, or poqueca in the Tupi native dialect. So now we're going to add all of our wet ingredients and some of our other vegetables. So we're going to add our can of diced tomatoes in. Add our lemon juice. Our coconut milk. That nice creamy texture. We'll put in about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. About a teaspoon of salt. And about a tablespoon of honey or sugar. After letting it boil for about 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to add our finishing touches. So we're going to add in our shrimp and let it cook until it's pink all the way through. That'll take about 2 to 3 minutes. So you can already see the little tips turning pink. Now we're going to add our spinach. Here's a fun fact for you. Spinach is native to Persia, which is located in modern-day Iran. Spinach was introduced to Europe in the 12th century and to the USA in 1806. In medieval times, artists used spinach's green pigment as ink or paint. Spinach consumption increased 33% in the 1930s because of the Popeye cartoon. We'll put the lid on and let the spinach cook down for 2 to 3 minutes. Now for the big reveal. We can see that our shrimp has turned pink and our spinach has cooked down. So we're just about ready to serve. Now everything is ready to go. We finished our rice and put a little scoop on a plate like this. And now it's time to serve. Now it's time for my favorite part, our taste test. If you try it at home, let me know if you tried it, but it's not your favorite, you liked it, or you loved it. Bon appetit! You can taste the lemon, which has a little bit of acid in it, makes it a little bit sour, and it's a little bit spicy, but in a good way. We added a little bit of chili pepper. Delicious. Can't wait to eat it for dinner. Bon dia!